Today's video is Suzuki Sashimi in 10 minutes. Suzuki. Other side is the next step is fish master. 3 minutes and a half left.
This is Sea Bass Sashimi. How's it going, everyone? I'm Keita. Today I'll try to make sashimi from whole sea bass in 10 minutes. It's so difficult, but I tried. Today I got this beautiful sea bass from the supermarket near my home, and I tried to cut this small house knife.
This fish is called Suzuki in Japanese and summer white fish. It's good for sushi, grill, carpaccio, muniel.
Let's try it! 3, 2, 1, start!
Okay, let's start. First, cut head and wing. Today I got this fish only $6, 500 yen. After cutting off the head, next is an opened belly. You can see white one which I'm cutting. It's airbag. You can remove this airbag and clean inside while washing inside of the belly. Let me introduce my favorite supermarket. The name is Akure in Ion Group. It's located near Takashima Daira Station in Itabashi, Tokyo. There are different kind of fish every day. After cleaning the fish, start to cut from the belly side. Cutting until center bone. Next is back side. Cut until center bone in back side as well. Cut along the bone carefully. Cut belly side of bone at once. Perfect. Other side is from back side. Same process, cutting until center bone. And then last belly side. Cut along the bone and cut bone of belly. Shocking samurai! I use this bone for a soup later. The next step is cutting off the bone of belly part. It's a bit difficult. It needs good knife skill because belly part is very thin. Cut. The next step is taking off the skin. Basically taking off the skin from the tail part. Checking. How is the surface? Show me. Charan! Professional. Let's go the other side. If you wanna get a skill of cutting fish, you should start practicing from small fish. Because same process of almost all fish, just difference is big or small. How is other side of taking off the skin? Wow, I'm a fish master. Hey Keita, time is going ahead. Hurry up, hurry up. After cleaning chopping board, take off the center bone. There is center bone, middle of the fish. Take it off. This is the shoulder part, and this is belly part. Check the left of bone. 5 minutes left. Doing same process. Cut the center bone. Look at this very beautiful clear color of the body. This whole Suzuki fish only $6, 500 yen? I can't believe it. If I order this sashimi in the restaurant, it's $50 or $60 for sure. The next step is cutting and serving. I choose to cut from shoulder part. Slice it carefully. Normally I use sashimi knife to cut sashimi. It's called yanagi knife. A tip of cutting fish is slice it just one time. That way it makes the edge of sashimi like this. Don't hesitate, just cut one time. Today I use this Japanese beautiful dish, but when you make it, whatever you want, you can choose it. Three minutes and a half left. Go for your family. Look at the face, so serious. Because it was so struggle to use this house knife to cut sashimi. Hurry up! This one also shoulder part. 3 minutes left. You can do it, you can do it! When I serve this, I realize this dish is pretty bigger for it. But I didn't have a time to start over. The next is belly part. Belly part has fat more than shoulder part. For example, tuna. Otoro and chutoro is this belly part. Normally put things to decorate more beautiful such as radish or lemon, but I forgot to buy it today. 1 minute and a half left. This is the last belly part. Last 1 minute. I'm looking for something for decoration. Oh, I found shiso. And how can I decorate? Oh, no. Oh, I don't need it. And I'm looking for another things to make it beautiful. But I gave up.
Hey. In time. Checking. 9 minutes 37 seconds.
I think I should have bought something for decoration, but I made it on time, so well done.
This is Sea Bass Sashimi. If you want to try it, ask me or try it by yourself. Thank you for watching today. See you in another video. Bye. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel. ありがとう。